Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So if you are new here, we love to talk about Jesus, do makeup, do hair, and all of that. But on today's video, I'm going to be talking to you all about protective styling and also do a lip combo that I'm just kind of in the mood to do. Clearly, I'm in the mood for pink. I have on my pink shirt, my daughter's pink scrunchie, a little pink lighting. You know, I'm just in the mood for pink. I don't know what it is, but here we are. So I have my hair in braids. You guys may or may not already know that, but I am just giving my hair a break. I'm a straight hair natural. My hair needed some time off. Yeah, my hair needed a break. I needed a break. So I braided my hair up. And so now let's just talk about some protective styling. I know braids can be one form of protective style. And if you want to learn a little bit more about braids, and we talked about this in a previous video, check this video out. We go into depth about braids and the benefits of those. But today I'm strictly just talking about what are all the protective styles that we can do with our hair. There is a list of things that we can do. So let's get into it. But first, let's talk about what is a protective style, just in case you do not know or just want to learn a little bit more. Protective styles for hair include braids, twists, buns, weaves. These styles help minimize manipulation and can protect hair from environmental damage. It can reduce breakage and promote growth. That is what we want, right? They are especially beneficial for maintaining moisture and preventing split ends. That's something that I learned in our other video about braids. I did not know that protective styles hold in the moisture. Did you? But we all know with natural hair, moisture is key. So that is what a protective style is. And right now, I'm so happy to have a protective style because it has allowed me personally to get things done more easily, because that's just one thing I don't have to do, and that is my hair. Even though I love my hair, I'm so grateful for my hair. And I'm also just as excited as I am to have these braids in. I'm excited to take them out, but I'm like, no, keep them in. The point was to leave it alone, let it grow. So I keep telling myself that, stop. But today we're going to be doing a pink lip combo because why not? I'm going to be using my Morphe SOULMATTE lip liner pencil, and the name of this lip pencil is Other Half. And when I had bought this lip liner, I really was looking for a brown, and when I got it, I was like, okay, that's not brown. That's more of like a maroon, which is what I didn't want at the time. But now I'm happy that I have it because it can make such a pretty pinkish lip, and I love a pinkish lip. I love a brown nude lip, and I love a pink lip. So let's just put this lip liner on really quick. See how that is kind of like a maroon? Definitely not brown, but it's more of a, it's definitely maroon, yeah. Okay, so let's talk about the different options we have for protective styles. We can do box braids, cornrows, or twists. Which one of those is your favorite? Comment below what is your favorite protective style. Cornrows, y'all, I need to get better at cornrows. I can do it, but I'm not that good, and I need to get better because I want to be one of those people that can just do all those cute cornrow hairstyles. I think they're so beautiful. I just need to learn how to do it. Can you cornrow? I promise I won't be jealous. All right, and also if you do twist, you can do 2-strand twist or flat twist. My favorite was the twist out. I don't know what it was. I loved it on my hair. The braid out, not so much. I don't like the pattern that it put into my hair as much as I did a twist out, but yeah, the twist out was definitely my go-to. All right, here, and it also says buns. You can do a high or low bun to keep ends tucked away. Definitely love a bun. The only thing about buns is that I know it's not too good to put your hair in a ponytail in a bun too often, because that can lead to breakage. Because your hair is constantly being put into that bun using that ponytail holder, it can lead to breakage. So you don't want to do that too often, but a nice bun here and there is good. Weaves are also a protective style. Sew-in or crochet weaves for added length and protection. With all of these, we know that you have to do them properly because anything can lead to damage, really. If you are not careful and you do not handle your hair with care, whether that's your hair being out or in a protective style, it can lead to damage if you're not properly handling that protective style. So we already know that, but they said you can do weaves, sew-ins, crochet weaves for added length and protection. And those I have done before too. I love extending the look of my hair. I used to get sew-ins a lot in these kind of braids. So that's a protective style. Wigs. Protective wigs allow you to change styles without manipulating your natural hair. And wigs are something that I have worn a few times, not a lot. And when I say a few, I mean like maybe 2 or 3 times. One when I was pregnant and I could not deal with my hair at all. I was too sick. And also a long time ago when I was going to an event, I wore a wig. But I have not gotten into wigs. I do like seeing wigs on other people, and I know there's different ways you can apply them. They look so real. That's just something that I have not gotten to. Not saying that I never would, but yeah, I haven't really done a lot of wigs. Updos. Various updo styles like the pineapple or French roll. Do you guys remember the French roll? That's going back to the days of my perm. There used to be that, you know, that French roll you could get in the back. I feel like that is an older style now. I don't see a lot of people getting the French roll anymore. But yeah, and also you can pineapple your hair. I think that's super cute with a cute scarf. But let's take a break and let's do this pink lip. Let's finish this up. I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place lip gloss right here. And this is in the Candy Shop collection. And it's named Bubblegum. So let's just go ahead and apply that. It's on the verge of being like a dark pink, but we're just gonna put that in the middle. If you all wanna know anything about me, I love lipstick, lip combos. I love it all. It's so much fun to me. I can literally put on 5 colors at one time just to get the color I like. We're not gonna do that today, I don't think. But this is how the lips look with just the lip liner from Morphe and the Juvia's Place lipstick. So that's pretty right there. I could just leave that, but I like to go in with a lighter color right in the middle. I just love doing that. I love making an ombre lip. So to get that, we're going to go in with my Morphe. This is a rosy nude color, and we're just going to apply that in the middle of our lips. I will link these products below just in case you want to try this lip combo. So yeah, that's just a pretty like light color. I love that. It just takes like an average lip color to the next level. Okay, let's read some more about these protective styles. What else can you do? Locks. I love locks. I love them. I love them. I love the look of locks. The closest that I've had to locks are faux locks. And when I had those, I felt so pretty. They're such a gorgeous look. The only reason I know I can never get them is because I changed too much. I told you all I'm trying to keep these braids in, but I'm already like ready for another style. So I think if you get locks or dreads, you have to really be ready to commit to that. And I'm not ready to commit to any style, and I don't feel like I ever will be. So I have to get those like temporary locks that I can just take out and put them back in if I feel like it. But locks are so beautiful. It says whether natural or faux, locks provide protective cover for your hair. So that's another form of protective style you can incorporate. And the last one we're going to talk about is extensions. Clip-ins or bonded extensions can add length without direct styling. And that's also another way that I used to like doing my hair was with clip-on extensions. You know, I used to make my own. You can go to the hair store and get the little clips. I would sew them onto the track and just make my own little clip-ons because that's a lot more affordable than buying them pre-made, and you can make them on your own if you haven't tried that. But you can add in length with those tracks. I haven't done that in a long time. Sometimes I want to get some and just add some length, but I'm like, I'm just going to enjoy my hair growing because it's really starting to grow a lot. And these days I'm just liking to wear my natural curls just out. Okay, the last thing we're going to do to these lips, you guys, like I said, I can keep going. I have learned that just because you have on a lip gloss doesn't mean it's going to be super shiny. So if you want high shine, you can add lip gloss on top of lip gloss. Yes, you can add a really glossy clear or nude lip color over your lip gloss and it makes it even shinier. Super shiny, super glazed looking, and I love that. So to get that look, I'm going to go in with my Dulce Latte. This is by Juvia's Place as well, and it's in the coffee shop collection. I love this lip gloss. I'm getting kind of low. Oh no, I'm getting too low. I can see through this. No, 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 no. This has been my favorite lip gloss all year long, and I'm definitely going to repurchase this ASAP. I wouldn't say it's pink or brown. It's like a combination of the two, pink, brown, and beige. It just comes out so pretty. It also goes on sheer, so you're not going to get like too much color. It's the perfect top coat. Do you guys see how that gave it some extra shine? I need to try out some more because I'm sure there's plenty more, but that's the one I've tried and I've been loving for a while. My favorite. I literally use it almost every day. All right, guys, that is the end of this video. I love talking to you guys about all of these beauty things and life and Jesus. He's so wonderful, and I'm so glad that you are here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Also, comment below your favorite protective style. Are you wearing a protective style right now? Let me know your favorites because we love sharing the knowledge, and hopefully maybe what you're wearing can help someone else achieve their length goals or just how they want to wear their hair. Also, let me know below if you have a favorite lip combo. Are you a pinkish nude girl for your lips? Are you more of a brownish tone, neutral color? Or are you like a vibrant color like red or maybe blue, green? You know, there are a lot of different options for lips. Let me know down below. Also, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Beauty by Viennese. I would love to have you over there on those platforms as well. Thank you guys for being here. I love you. Jesus loves you. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.